Hello students, I am Kavita D. Tande from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Civil Lines, Raipur. Student, in the previous videos, we have studied session number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of unit 3. Now in this video, we will study unit number 5 and 6. Student, unit number 4 is about the Windows operating system. As we have already studied the operating system, and that's why we are not going to study unit number 5, that is Linux operating system, which is optional. So let's start the unit number 6, that is Internet and its applications. Students, many of the people or most of the people think that Internet and the www is one and the same thing, but it's not true. So we will study what is Internet, what is www, what is email, blog. So let's get started. So Internet is a computer-based worldwide communication network which is composed of large number of smaller interconnected networks. And the World Wide Web is a set of programs, standards and protocols that allow the multimedia and hypertext files to be created, displayed and linked on the internet. It is really important to understand that the internet is not the same as the www. The internet is to the World Wide Web as Europe is to Germany. One is a container and another is the item within that container. Understood, student? Now let's start the internet terminologies. First of all, we will see the client. Client is a computer or any computer on a network that requests services from another computer on the internet. And when a computer, or we can say a web client, is a program or component on client side that requests and uses services provided by the web server. Server is a computer that receives requests from client computers, processes and sends the output. Web server responds to the web related request. There can be another types of servers also to handle different types of requests and actions. The web page, now we will see the web page and website. Web page, any digital page or document hosted on internet. It is accessible by or via internet. Website is a collection of interconnected pages, web pages designed with a certain goal in mind. Now there is a web portal. A website or web service that offers a broad array of resources such as email, forum, search engines, among others. Examples, sites like MSN, Yahoo, India Times, etc. So this is called as web portal. Now come to the web browsers. A program or software on a client computer that retrieves information from the web. Example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape, Mosaic, Opera, Safari, etc. Now come to the URL. URL, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is a unique address of a web page on internet. Now blog. The short form of blog is coming from the word blogs, web log. That serves as a publicly accessible personal journal, or we can say personal diary on the internet, or online personal diary. A blog is frequently updated. Now come to the blogger. Blogger is an author or a person who writes the blogs, and blogging is the action, writing of blogs. Come to the news groups. News groups are the internet discussion forums where groups of users with common interests gather to discuss on common topic of interest. Now email. The short form of electronic mail is email. It refers to messages distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients via network, mostly internet. Now this is the email address. You can see philol@gmail.com. This is the email address. This is the unique electronic post office box address with a unique address on a network where email can be sent. This unique address is known as email address. There are some components of this address. There, philop is a username, @ is used for the separation, and the gmail.com is the host or domain name. Let's see the hypertext and hyperlink. Hypertext refers to the combination of text, graphic, images, audio and video tracks, and hyperlinks. And hyperlink refers to the dynamic link upon clicking at which a new web page or program will opens. Student, it is a digital text also. The hypertext is the digital text which includes the information in various media formats. Might be text, might be graphics, sound, images, videos, and all this. And hyperlinks is what? It's a form of graphic or text. Where we can click on that, the links document or the link page will open. Now let's see the session number 7, internet services. This is also related with the session number 6, which is internet applications. So I am continuing in this only. Let's start. This is the web services. Now what do you mean by web services? The web services are the software based services that takes place when two electronic devices connected via network communicate over www's HTTP protocol. Now let's see the email. We have already studied about the email in the section number 6, but let's see it again in a detail. Email stands for electronic mail. It is the most widely used tool to send messages electronically. The advantages of email are low cost, speed, waste reduction, ease of use, record maintenance, and patience. And limitations of the email are hardware requirement, impermanent, a hasty medium, hard to convey emotions. Now let's see some components from the email page. Here you can see, student, inbox. The inbox is the name of the folder that stores your received mails. Now the structure of the email messages contain from means this field is used to write the email address of the name of the sender also, we can say. And to is the field. Here we can write address or addresses to which the mail is sent. Now the CC option is present here. That is the full form of carbon copy. Carbon copy field allows you to send the same mail message to multiple recipients at the same time. For example, if a manager wants to send the same message to all her or subordinates, he or she may use this field for entering the mail IDs for his subordinates. Here's one also field, that is a carbon copy, blind carbon copy, that is BCC, which allow you the sender to send same mail message to multiple recipients without letting them know that some other persons also have received the same message. Now subject field is there. Here you can write the short title of that mail. Body, it is used to write the message. In attachment field, you can attach pictures, documents, or any kind of file. Date option is used to write the date and time on which the message was sent from the sender's computer. Message ID is the unique ID which is used to track replies to it. Now let's see the Spam versus junk mail. Spam is defined as irrelevant or inappropriate message sent on the internet to a large number of people, while junk mail is the unwanted, unsolicited advertising or promotional material received through mail or email. These two terms are typically used interchangeably. Now let's see some search engines. Search engine is a program that searches through a database of a web pages for particular information. We can see here some search engines examples: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask. These all are some examples of search engines. Now let's see the social networking. Social networking is use of internet-based social media programs to make connections with friends, family, classmates, customers and clients. Social networking site is the website that provide a venue for a people to share their activities with family, friends and colleagues, or to share their interest in a particular topic. The examples are Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can see more examples on the screen. Now come to the last topic of the session number 7, that is Digital India. Digital India is a program by Government of India to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Students, there are some core components of this Digital India: the creation of digital infrastructure, delivery of service digitally, and digital literacy. Now come to the common digital internet India services, that is Digital Locker, e-education, government portal mygovernment.in, attendance.gov.in, e-sign framework, e-hospital, national scholarship portal, SBM mobile app. These kind of digital India services are here in a Digital India portal. Student, here we have completed the session number 7 also from unit number 3. We have completed the complete unit number 3. Now, bye.